Now we will make sentences using the following words. But children, first let's discuss their meanings. The first one is lock, to put someone in a prison. The second word is sniff, to smell, mostly done by animals. The third word is snoring, making sound while sleeping from your nose or throat. The fourth one is wipe, to clean something with a cloth or your hand. Dusty, something that is dirty and contains dust. Before making a final sentence, we are going to brainstorm a little. Whenever I say the word locked, what comes to your mind? Think about different ideas. I have written some of the points about which you can make sentences. Number one is a criminal locked up in a prison, a bird locked up in a cage, some jewelry locked up in a safe, lock the door of your house when you leave, or the phones that you import from any other country are usually locked. So you can use any one idea, add some adjectives, add some other parts of speech, and you can make a sentence. I have made a sentence. The poor bird was locked up in a cage before she finally got freedom when her cage broke. So I have used a second idea. I have added some adjectives like poor over here, and I have made an appropriate sentence. The second word is sniffed, and the meaning of sniffed is to smell. Now I want all of you to think all of the things which you have recently sniffed or smelled. Like you sniffed because you had flu, the dog or any cat sniffed for search of food, you sniffed on a perfume or a flower, you sniffed when your mother was cooking something yummy in the kitchen. So you can use any one of this idea and put adjectives into it and make a proper sentence. I have used the second idea, and the sentence that I have made is the blind dog sniffed everywhere in the search of food because he was starving for 2 days. So I have used adjectives blind, I have used subject, verb and object and made a complete sentence. The third word is snoring. Now think about all those family members who snore while they are sleeping. Like your father or mother can be snoring. You can snore while sleeping because of being too tired if you have worked a lot. Snoring because of having a blocked nose. If you're having flu, even then you snore. Sound of snoring is mostly irritating. So you can use any one idea and add your adjectives and make a sentence. I have made, after a long hectic day, my father started snoring as soon as he fell asleep. So you see, I have used two adjectives, long and hectic, and I have made a sentence. The fourth word is wiped. You must know the meaning of this word nowadays, as you have to wipe everything to keep it clean according to the situation. So think about the things that you have to wipe or that you have to clean. For example, you have to wipe dishes, you wipe your eyes after crying, you wipe your hands with a towel when they are wet or dirty, you wipe a window or you wipe the windscreen of your car. You also wipe the floor using a wiper. So you can pick any one point from here and make a proper sentence of it. I have used the fourth point, and that is the driver wiped the windscreen as he could not see the road because of the heavy rain. So I have used a subject, a verb and an object and made a complete sentence. The very last word is dusty. You all know the meaning of it. It is very easy. You can think about different things that become dusty and what do you do when they become dusty. For example, furniture or carpets can be dusty. Any place like your house, your room can be dusty. After a thunderstorm, everything seems to be dusty around us. When you're playing outside in the school ground, your clothes, your shoes become dusty. Dusty things can cause allergies. So I've combined the first and the last point and I've made a complete sentence, and the sentence is, I started sneezing when my maid started cleaning the dusty carpet lying in the storeroom for past 6 months. Now dusty itself is an adjective. You can use other adjectives as well to make a interesting sentence. Children, the presentation has ended over here. I hope you understood all the concepts. Now I want you all to use the same words but make different sentences of your own, and do not forget to follow all the rules of sentence building. Thank you.